10 Best Meal Kit Delivery Services for No-Hassle Healthy Meals at Home. We've tested and ranked an array of options to come up with the top 10 best meal delivery services on the market right now. A closer look at the top 10 meal delivery services. Guys, number 1 meal kit delivery service is HelloFresh. What's in the box? 3 to 5 meals of 2 or 4 servings each. Special diets: vegetarian, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free. Price $57.95, $201.75 per serving. HelloFresh is a nice meal delivery service for people looking for healthier, varied, easy-to-prepare recipes to feed their household. Regardless of your recipe preference, every kit includes all the ingredients you need, with clear directions and easy cleanup. HelloFresh works best for families who don't follow a restrictive diet pattern but are interested in receiving a variety of meals. This service does not offer dairy-free, nut-free, or gluten-free recipes, but does provide a variety of protein options and includes fresh produce in every recipe. Every week offers at least 25 recipes to choose from, and you can always adjust, skip, or cancel your delivery and subscription. Guys, number 2 meal kit delivery service is Home Chef. What's in the box? 2 to 6 meals, 2, 4 or 6 servings each. Special diets: vegetarian, soy-free, dairy-free, calorie-conscious. Price $8.99 per serving. Home Chef is a meal delivery service that puts tasty and healthy eating within reach. If you want to cut down on food waste and prep times, while still enjoying making dinner with family and friends, Home Chef is a great choice. Home Chef aims to make dinner prep easier by giving you all the pre-portioned ingredients you'll need to feed 2 to 6 people, plus the detailed step-by-step instructions with pictures to make great dinners possible, no matter your skill level. With a level of quality and a price point typical of your average meal delivery services, Home Chef's distinguishing feature is their customizability. For starters, you can choose between 2 healthy diet options, calorie-conscious or carb-conscious. Then you can cut out any of 8 common dietary preferences. When it comes to proteins, you can swap, double up, or switch to a vegan meat alternative. Finally, you can categorize recipes based on dietary preference, giving you full control over what arrives in the box on your doorstep. Guys, number 3 meal kit delivery service is Sabasket. What's in the box? 2 to 4 meals of 2 to 4 servings each. Special diets: vegetarian, vegan, quick and easy, lean and clean. Price $9.99 minus $14.49 meal per serving. Sunbasket has lots of recipe options to fit your tastes, dietary choices, and food preferences. Every recipe is developed by award-winning chef Justine Kelly, who was the former head chef of a James Beard Award-winning restaurant, The Slanted Door, which showcased recipes, ingredients, and flavors from around the world. Every week, Justine Kelly crafts delightfully simple and tasty recipes and sources the best ingredients for each week's meal baskets. You may be eating Okinawa flake tuna and egg stir-fry with arugula mango salad one night and Tex-Mex chicken fajitas with sweet pepper tomato salsa the next. The meals are neither gimmicky nor overly complex but feature recipes that are easy to follow and delicious to eat. Guys, number 4 meal kit delivery service is Factor. What's in the box? 4 to 18 servings per week. Special diet: soy-free, organic and more. Price higher than most per serving. Factor _, also called Factor or Factor 75, provides chef-crafted and dietitian-designed meals that are suited for almost every diet, delivered fresh, and ready to eat. Each meal is carefully balanced to be nutritious, delicious, and promote a healthy lifestyle. It's particularly good for people on paleo, ketogenic, or other carb-conscious diets. Meals are made from high-quality, organic ingredients and do not require any prep work. Factor _ avoids soy and gluten in their meals, but they are not approved for those with celiac disease. Meals stay fresh for up to 10 days and can be frozen to eat later. Factor _ also offers nutritional consultations and coaching to help you be more accountable for your diet and health. If you're looking for a simple way to live a healthier lifestyle, Factor _ could be the meal delivery service for you. Guys, number 5 meal kit delivery service is Blue Apron. What's in the box? 2 to 4 meals, 2 to 4 servings each. Special diets: vegetarian, gluten-free, low-carb, diabetic. Price $7.49, $9.99 per meal per serving. Blue Apron is the most well-known in the industry and has taken leaps and bounds in recent years to try and change how we're eating at home. The company wants to help customers learn more about how to cook well at home, and to become more intimately acquainted with their food and the ingredients that go into it. One drawback of Blue Apron is that it offers less variety than most of its competitors. That said, even with the smaller selection, you can experiment with some brilliantly designed and delicious recipes. Guys, number 6 meal kit delivery service is Freshly. What's in the box? 4, 6, 9, or 12 meals of one serving. Special diets: gluten-free, high protein, vegetarian, soy-free, and more. Price $8.99 per meal, $11.79 per meal per serving. Freshly is the only no-prep meal delivery service that offers an exclusively gluten-free menu. If you need even more customization with your meals, Freshly has you covered with dairy-free, vegetarian, low-carb, and low-calorie options, plus meals that fit multiple other restrictions. Freshly is the best choice for picky eaters who need healthy, tasty, convenient options to rely on in a hurry. Freshly's commitment to sustainability is another asset of theirs, making this service good for not only your health, but also the environment. With so many options, including gluten-free alternatives to old favorites and Freshly's invigorating world foods for an adventurous palate, a Freshly subscription could be an asset for successfully meeting your nutrition health goals. Guys, number 7 meal kit delivery service is Every Plate. What's in the box? 3 meals, 2 to 4 servings each. Special diets known. Price as low as $4.99 per meal per serving. Every Plate is a nice option for people looking for simple and affordable home-cooked dinners. Their kits provide all the ingredients you'll need and step-by-step instructions that won't take more than 30 minutes to make. Additionally, the company makes ordering meals, the ability to skip meals or pause meals, and schedule meals effortless. While Every Plate offers a rotating menu of 17 meals per week, over time, their limited menu may feel repetitive. Every Plate has some vegetarian options, however, they don't offer any options for those following a keto, gluten-free, paleo, low-carb, or vegan diet. Moreover, Every Plate does not cater to people with food allergies. Guys, number 8 meal kit delivery service is Green Chef. What's in the box? 2 to 3 mealsof, 2 or 4 servings each. Special diets: carnivore, pescatarian, paleo, keto, and more. Price $90.93, $297.75 per serving. Green Chef is a nice meal kit delivery service for people seeking certified organic meals that save time and effort. Using Green Chef, you can choose from several preferences, including keto, paleo, vegetarian, vegan, low-carb, gluten-free, Mediterranean, and quick meals. Green Chef works best for people and families who want to cook healthy and tasty meals in around 30 minutes. This may be a good fit for people who already follow a healthy lifestyle and want the addition of easy meals, or want to start eating healthier with the help of simple recipes that will teach them how to use a variety of flavors, seasonings, and ingredients. Guys, number 9 meal kit delivery service is Nutrisystems. What's in the box? Nutritionally balanced prepared meals, meal plan for a month. Special diets: men, women, diabetes, vegetarian. Price varies depending on the plan. If you're looking for a scientifically proven method of weight loss, consider Nutrisystem. You'll have between 90 to 160 meal choices, depending on which plan you choose. Meals arrive monthly, saving you time that you'd usually spend having to plan, shop, and prep meals. Meals are dietitian approved and based on the scientifically sound U.S. dietary guidelines. Diabetic-friendly and vegetarian meal options are available in addition to snacks, shakes, and bars to make weight loss easier. In addition, you'll get the support you need through Nutrisystem's new Me app to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Guys, last and number 10 meal kit delivery service is Fresh and Easy. What's in the box? 2 to 6 meals with 2, 4, or 6 servings each. Special diets: low calorie, low carb. Price competitive per serving. Fresh and Easy is simple to use. Home Chef subscribers will feel right at home, but even if you're new to the service, the process is easy and intuitive. Every week, a different menu will appear with about 20 meals from which to choose. Mix and match until you've chosen your allotment of meals and then enjoy. Fresh and Easy's pre-portioned meal ingredients come prepped, and in many cases, pre-made. All you need to do is assemble the ingredients and toss them in your oven, microwave, grill, or slow cooker. Fresh and Easy menus change weekly and feature over 20 different items. Most meals are full entrees, though sandwiches and salads are also available. Many of Fresh and Easy meals include meat, poultry, or other animal proteins for carb-conscious or calorie-conscious eaters. Vegan and vegetarian options are available, too. A sample menu includes items such as bacon and Swiss burger with red potatoes, stroganoff pork meatballs with potatoes and peas, and everything bagel chicken with Parmesan green beans. Prices for meals vary and shipping is $8.99 per box. Going out of town or want to cancel meals? You can cancel or pause meal delivery at any time. So guys, I hope you like my today video and today topic, so guys must subscribe to our channel and comment any topic name if you want information about this. Thank you so much guys, live you all friends.